Hello, 5th graders! Welcome to Learn and Share. We're doing problem solving for ages 10 to 11. Problem 6. The width of a rectangle is 50% its length. If the perimeter of 3 such rectangles is 90 centimeters, find the length of one rectangle. Do you want to try it yourself? Feel free to pause the video and try it yourself. Do you want to see how I solved it? I solved it in a step-by-step way. Let's see it. Let's read and understand the problem. So, what is given to us? We are given the width of a rectangle is 50% its length. What this means is the width of the rectangle is half its length because 50% is half. We're also given that the total perimeter of 3 such rectangles is 90 centimeters. What is there to find? We have to find the length of one rectangle. Let's plan. So first, we're going to find the perimeter of one rectangle, and then we're going to apply the formula of the perimeter to find the length. Let's start by finding the perimeter of one rectangle. So, the perimeter of 3 rectangles equals to 90. So the perimeter of one rectangle will be 90 divided by 3 equals to 30. So we found that the perimeter of one rectangle equals to 30. Now we'll apply the formula of perimeter to find the length. We know that the perimeter of one rectangle equals to 30. But how are we going to find the length from the perimeter? Well, let's try to find the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. Here we have a rectangle. Let's represent the length by L and the width by W. Since the sum of all sides is the perimeter, so for this rectangle, the perimeter will be L plus W plus W. Let's apply the formula for the perimeter here, which is length plus width, which equals to 30. Since the width of the rectangle is 50% of the length, it means that is half of the length, or the length is double of the width. If we consider the width to be 1 unit, then the length will be 2 units. Let's replace W by 1 unit and L by 2 units. So total, we have 6 units here, whose value equals to 30. From here, we can find out the measurement of 1 unit by dividing. So 1 unit will be equal to 30 divided by 6, which equals to 5 centimeters. So 1 unit equals to 5 centimeters, and the length of the rectangle equals to 2 units. This means that the length of the rectangle will be equal to 2 times 5 centimeters, which is equal to 10 centimeters. Therefore, the length of the rectangle is 10 centimeters. Yay, we solved the problem. For more word problems, click the link in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye.